At times when you feel low on energy, it's always nice to have a quick way to boost your energy. And in this video, I will share with you one of the, actually it was the first rune formula that I ever tested out. It was my teacher who wrote this rune formula on me and asked and told me how to activate it. And in just few moments, I did felt a shift, because when I came into the class, I did feel a bit off, just clouded mind and some other things, and kind of worried and not concentrated. But with this rune formula, almost instant, I did feel a shift, and I did feel a shift in my energy. Again, it wasn't just like, it doesn't revive you from when you're super sick, but it gives you that extra charge, extra boost when you're dealing with certain situations. And so this formula has 3 runes in them, and when you use them, as I always say, it's nice to know the meaning of each of the rune and what the rune formula does. It's always, there are many also other ways, many different ways to activate a rune formula. With the 3 runes, I usually prefer them just to write them on myself. I have usually just use a Sharpie marker, or you can use something more organic. You can find like a special organic marker to do that. You can also create an amulet and carry it with you, or have like a necklace and also carry it with you whenever you want. You have like a different sets, and just whenever you need it, you kind of bring it together with you to have that boost. So what are these 3 runes that give you that boost in your energy? Well, it's Uruz, Sowilo, Algiz. And when you look at the meaning of each of these runes, Uruz being the power of the ox, being that strength and power, and Sowilo having that energy of the sun, and Algiz being protected and from divine and feeling that protection as well, you can kind of see that when this formula is correctly activated, it can give that boost. And I often use it just to kind of to bring certain energy when you're just lacking for it. Use it not every day, but from time to time when you feel like you might need that extra push. So I do encourage you to test it out for yourself, because everybody has their own particularities and results. One thing also to remember, runes always work. If they don't work for you, all that it means is that your energy currently is not in the best shape, and then you might need to look in each case basis and probably clear your energy more, so that the runes will give you more power. And from certain sources that I've been working on as well, it is known that the power of the runes that we are using now is only like 20% max. So there's a lot of more to be discovered for sure. And of course, there are more advanced and more complicated rune formula and staves to give you that boost and to give you that energy. And these we explore in the online community, which you can find the links in the description. And if you decide to test this rune formula for yourself, please use the comments to share how it felt for you, what results did you reach. And if you find value in the videos of the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And remember always, rune magic is just a seed. Practice is the true magic.